Okay, let us see the fourth week. Question number 4. Question number 1. A line PQ 80 mm, true length given. So we will draw on the XY line. Take line and draw with ortho mode on. Approximate length line, and you can name it by giving single line text here. Letter height may be 10 mm, angle 0, and x here y. Okay, and then that line one end, that is P. P is 20 mm above HP. Let us draw that P end first. Draw it from here 20 mm and name it. Letter height may be 5. Then P dash. Okay. Then you that line 45 degree to HP with length of 80 mm. You first draw that 80 mm line and then rotate that line to 45 degree. Rotate option, select object, enter, base point 45 degree. You draw that line, angular line. Thereafter, let us come to the top view of this line. It is 25 mm in front of VP. So let us draw that the same line downward 25 mm and then name it as a P. Okay, let us write 5, angle 0, P, and draw that line 80 mm true length line and then rotate it to 35 degree 80 mm line and rotate it downward. Select rotate, select object, enter, base point, and downward rotation can be done by minus value, minus 35. Okay, it is rotated downward. Then this top end can be given as a P1 Q1 dash. Okay, letter height may be 5 mm, angle 0, Q1 dash, Q1 dash. Okay, similar way here Q1, simply Q1. Some other alternate name, temporary name can be given for the next end, and then you go for creating locus. Locus means horizontal line at this point and this point. For that you go for copy command, select the XY line itself and enter, select the midpoint and click here one locus, here one locus. Similar way here one locus, here one locus. You can copy, go for copy command and you can create locus. Locus means horizontal straight line. Then let us extend this locus length, lengthen, extend. Select and go for lengthen option, drag it to here. Okay, lengthen, because we are going to project this, so that this locus should be lengthened. Up to this it will be projected. So let us go for projection lines. Select the line command, you project this Q1 to P dash locus. Thereafter you draw one arc then that this is the appearing front view length. So in order to get this length in this locus, this end, we are drawing the arc here. So go to open arc, center start end, option arc you take, center this one, start point this one, and arc can be drawn with switch off ortho mode, and you can draw arc in order to get the intersection with this locus. Okay, and you draw the required projection of the line in the front view. Okay, this is shorter length, this much line of true length will appear, 8 mm line will appear this much. Okay, so let us do the coloring for this required line, and dimension it. Apparent length can be given by dimensioning this, and this is true length also can be given as dimension, and finally you can name it as a Q1. Q, this is the required line, Q dash, Q dash. Okay, this is the front view of that inclined line. Similar way, from the top view true length, let us project that to up to this locus. Take line and draw with ortho mode on, project this up to this locus. From here, this is the top view length. In order to get this point at this locus, we are drawing the arc. So you go for center start end, center start. In order to get the arc in the opposite direction, hold control key. You will draw arc with ortho mode off, hold control key, you can draw opposite direction arc, and you take line and draw the required line to this intersection. Okay, and make it coloring same color, because front view of a line, same line, front view it will green color, or top view also it should be green color, and project the dimension, give dimension of the apparent length in the top view. See, this is true length, for reference purpose we drawn. Okay, this is 79, by mistake I clicked here, let us delete and do it again. Aligned, exactly pick that point. Now also it is showing. Select and right click, go for precision and take single digit precision, it will be alright. Okay, now apparent angles also can be given angular dimension by this apparent angle. Okay, angle, select this, whatever dimension you need, you can go for it. Top view with very VP it is having 55 degree, with HP it is having 60 degree with this length. Okay, thank you.